In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Goodbuy gear promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Goodbuy gear promo codes. Right here, select this website which is called couponbuzz.com and open it. As you can see, we have a list with promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with 25% of any purchase, all I have to do is select get code right here, and this is a discount code that I can copy and use it on my next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, if I'm going back to my main search right here, we have this website which is called retrieve.com. And as you can see, we have also listed different type of promo codes. For example, if I want to get this one with 10% off, all I have to do is select copy code right here. This is a discount code right here that I can copy and I can use on my next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is also today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.